In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to move pages in Confluence. Organizing your wiki gets a lot easier once you know how to relocate content, whether that's shifting a page to a different space or nesting it under a new parent page. First, open Confluence in your browser and head to your home screen. Once you're in, navigate to the space that currently contains the page you want to move. You can find it from the Spaces menu or the sidebar. Just select the space to open it. Next, browse or search within that space and open the exact page you want to relocate. With the page loaded, look to the top right of the page for the More Actions menu, represented by 3 dots. Click that to reveal additional page options. From the menu, choose Move. This opens the Move dialog where you decide the destination. Start by selecting the space you want to move the page to. You can use the search field to quickly find the correct space, then click the space name to confirm it as your destination. After choosing the space, pick where in that space the page should live. In most cases, you'll select a parent page from the page tree so your content lands in the right spot. Click the parent page that should contain your page. Keep in mind, any child pages will move along with it, preserving the hierarchy. If you don't see the page you expect, expand sections of the tree to reveal more options. When everything looks correct, the destination space and the parent page, click Move to finalize. Confluence will process the change and take you to the page in its new location. A few tips as you do this. You'll need permission to move pages into the target space and beneath the chosen parent. So if the move option is missing, contact a space admin. Existing links within Confluence usually update automatically, but external bookmarks won't. So share the new location with your team if needed. Page restrictions, attachments, comments, and labels travel with the page, though it's smart to double-check restrictions after the move to ensure the right people still have access. Finally, confirm the page appears in the expected spot in the Spaces page tree. And that's it. You've successfully moved a page in Confluence. Thanks for watching, and keep your workspace tidy by placing pages exactly where they belong.